weeks ago I went to the summer instalment of London Film and Comic Con, where I proceeded to buy mystery boxes. If you want to see my thoughts on the event, link will be in the description for my first unboxing video of this gaming mystery box. But today I'm here for part 2, where I will be opening this one, which is a science fiction box. I really don't know what to expect from this one. I don't know if it's TV, movie, books. I'm really curious. There was a lot of other different ones, and I did get another gaming one, which we will do in the next video. But yeah, I just wanted to do something different. So this is a £20 box, which is £5 cheaper than the previous box, but it does feel significantly heavier. I don't know if it's just been padded or something, but of course having a sealed box means we get to play with the knife. Which will stress magic nerve out no end, so my knife is now complete. But yeah, like I said, I'm really curious. This is it is a bit smaller, so I do wonder if a lot of the weight is just because of the way it's packed in. So yeah. As somebody who for the longest time absolutely denied being a sci-fi fan, it seems appropriate that I would finally do something like this. So hang on. Rosita Blade, engage! So, what we got? We have a comic, a graphic novel. Okay, 2000 AD, the Ultimate Collection. The Ultimate Collection. Have you seen how thin this is? So yeah, it just looks like a comic, which is cool. I mean, I won't be able to see it, but that should be fun. Exclusive. Oh, exclusive sketchbook. Okay. Which means it's mine. Okay, that's pretty cool. We will have to have a nosy at that. It is cellophane wrapped, so we've got a mug. Ooh, a beautiful mug. What is this? Oh, well, my finger's over the camera lens, so that won't help, will it? Oh, it's a Transformers mug. No way. Sweet. Oh, it's an Optimus Prime mug. Oh, no way. Wait. I have an Autobot mug. It's mine. Back away. Hang on. Go. It is. It's definitely definitely Optimus Prime. I'm trying to see what it says on it. I know Mulu got this sci-fi box as well, so I'm curious. Roll out! Oh, sweet! I like the way it looks like he's doing a bloody Phoenix Wright pose though. It's like, roll out! Objection! Dude, that's dope. I like that. sweet. Well, I'm happy with that. That's my money paid for already. I'll put that in backwards, but who cares? Nice. Well, no wonder the box was heavy. I did wonder if it was a Funko, but I like that. Oh, I can't get back up. Whatever. What's next? It is. This is just a practice in making my phone work at this point. Star Trek. Ooh. Star Trek what? It looks, oh wait, it looks like it's yeah, Geordie LaForge. Oh, that's fun. Lieutenant Commander Geordie LaForge. Wooden stackable figure. Oh, you can stack them. Oh, I want the collection. Dude. Oh, I like that. That's fun. Do they do Data? Please say they do like Data, Picard, and who did it do? Hang on. I gotta see. Yeah, no, wait, sorry. Worf, Geordie, Picard and Data. No Riker. Sad. Cool. I wish I'd got like Worf, like any of the others, but I like Geordie. I actually like that. That's a lot of fun. Cool. There's a joke there about the blind person getting the blind person, but we'll leave that alone. Wow. Oh, wow. Hello. I don't know who it is. I feel like I should know. Oh, I don't know. 2000 AD. Okay, so it's connected to the comic book. Okay. I don't know who it is, but it's a pretty cool figure. That's funky. I need to look up what this 2000 AD is. We have a can. Oh dear. Like, I don't know what's in there. I've probably broken it, but... Oh, it's a Funko. Funko in a can. Funko soda? What? Wait, what? Refreshingly fun. Star Wars One Piece. I'm what? I don't get it. What? I don't get. Oh, wait. Oh. It's a Jawa? Is it a Jawa figure? I'm confused. It's got a picture of a Jawa on the can. Refreshingly fun. I'm a bit weary about opening this, to be honest. Oh, that would be fun if there's a Jawa figure in there. But it says soda on the can. I'm confused. I don't know if I want to open it. This could be trouble. Ow. I mean, it doesn't sound like drink in there. It explodes in my face if there is something in there. How am I supposed to get that lid off? For the next 4 hours, watch as Sketch struggles to get into a fake can. Oh, there we go. I thought it had a actual ring pull. Boo. kind of disappointed there's no drink in there. Oh, and a pog. Wow. They still do pogs? Sweet. Yeah, let's get them out of the case. It feels like a plush. Plushy Jawa. Oh, he's bubble wrapped. Oh, okay, he's not plushy. Boo. He's well packaged. A lot better than that bloody, whatever it was, like, Incredible Hulk thing that I unwrapped. Okay. This is where I break it just taking the bubble wrap off, you know that, right? Oh, it's a rubber band. Oh, God. Oh, is it Bubblehead? Ah. Oh, cool. He's a little Bubblehead Jawa. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I really like that. That's fun. I like that. I am actually genuinely happy with what I got. I got one more little thing I can't make out. Let's put this guy away. Goodbye. Back in your can, bitch. Something wrong with me, seriously. It's so weird that they would put soda on the... whatever. And this is a tiny little thing that I'm never going to see. Woo! It's like another 2000 AD thing. Oh, no. More Star Wars. Yeah, more Star Wars. It's a little head, perhaps. Rollins 2.0. This might be a reference I don't get. So, okay. This is tiny. Look at this. It's like my hand. Please say I got Yoda. Please say I got Yoda. I got a golden Yoda. Wait, I might have a golden Yoda. I think. I mean, the head looks like him. Kind of. Around the mouth looks wrong. That's what's putting me off. Does he have anything written on him? No. But yeah, it's a little... it's like a Weeble Wobble, but they don't fall down. I wonder if he does fall down. Hang on. Oh, actually, he is quite well weighted. He does stand upright. That's funny that I got the golden Overwatch thing, and then I got a golden Yoda. That's fun. That's a fun little thing. Well, he's not pictured on the packaging, so maybe he is special. Special he is. That's fun. I like that. I like everything I got in this one, actually. I thought this one was way better than the more expensive gaming one, to be fair. I don't doubt that, obviously, you know, I said last time, the other one came with a Funko, which I know puts the price up and all that stuff. But again, no, like, stickers and stuff like that. Yes, there's a couple of tiny ones. And I guess if you're going to get Sci-Fi, you're going to get Star Wars, regardless. But I console release. I do not know the 2000 AD, but that just, I think that's just a blindness in my nerddom, I guess. But no, I really like the Star Trek and the Star Wars things, and my Transformers mug. Really happy with that. So yeah, I genuinely thought this was worth it. I mean, is it worth the 20 quid? Again, that's subjective. But I thought this was a fun thing to unbox. And I've really enjoyed sharing it with you guys. So I'd really love to know your thoughts on everything. How many items was this? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what, 6? 6. We got 6 items. So I think the box, the thing said, you know, minimum of 6 items. So I appear to have gotten the minimum amount. But yeah, I really like this. This was a lot of fun. I'm glad I got this. Like I say, just to be different. They did stuff like Lego and Harry Potter and all that. But I'm glad I gave the Sci-Fi one a go, because I was completely a little like, well, what is going to be in that? So I'm glad I gave this one a chance. It's fun to get some Star Trek stuff in that. So and especially because I still have another gaming one to unbox. So yeah, I genuinely was happy with this. I'm curious what Mulu got in theirs, because like I say, they did get this box as well. So yeah, really curious. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. If you think what your thoughts on these kind of mystery boxes and that are. But please take care, stay awesome, and I'll see you somewhere down the line.